7, lesson number 8, algebraic expressions and operations on it. Today's point is equations. Equation in one variable. Solve the following equations here given. X plus 7. X plus 7, in that only one variable is there, that is x. Second example is 4p is equal to 12. Here only one variable is there, p. M minus 5, m is the only one variable, and t upon 3, t is only one variable. How to solve these equations? Here x plus 7 is the expression. 4p is also expression, one term. M minus 5 is expression. T upon 3 is a expression. And when equal sign comes here, that time it is equation. It is called as equation. X plus 7 is equal to 4. 4p is equal to 12. M minus 5 is equal to 4. And t upon 3 is equal to 6. Here equations are solved. You can observe it. The example word problem is given here. The length of a rectangle is 1 centimeter more than twice its breadth. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 50 centimeter, find its length. Here the length and breadth is given and perimeter is given. But how the length is given and breadth is given? See, the length of the rectangle is 1 centimeter more than twice of its breadth. All of you knew that in length and breadth is smaller and length is bigger. So, always while solving the equations, whatever is the smaller value, that we have to consider first, that we have to suppose first. So here we will suppose that let the breadth of the rectangle be x, because exact number is not given, exact value is not given of the breadth. So we will consider it as a x centimeter, unit is centimeter given here. Then the length of the rectangle will be, the length will be 1 centimeter more than twice of its breadth. Twice of breadth means 2 times breadth. If breadth is x, then 2x, and 1 centimeter is more. So add 1 here, 2x plus will be the length of the rectangle. Now we know the breadth and the length. We know the formula of the perimeter of rectangle. So write first the formula, 2 into length plus 2 into breadth is equal to perimeter of rectangle. Put the values in the formula. 2 and the value of the length is 2x plus 1 plus 2 into breadth. Breadth is x. So 2x is equal to 50. It is given here that perimeter is 50. So 50 will come here. Now we have to multiply each term inside the bracket with the 2. 2 2s are 4x. Then 2 1s are 2. And plus sign will as it is. Then plus 2x. Now here like terms are 4x and the 2x. So we can add it. 4x plus 2x will be 6x. And this 2 here is equal to 50. Now when we transport this 2 from the left side to the right side of the equation, that time we have to change the sign of it. Here plus sign is there. You have to give here opposite sign, that is minus. So 6x is equal to 50 minus 2. So 50 minus 2 is 48. Now 6x means 6 multiplied by x. Transport this 6 or shift this 6 also to the right side of the equation. Here multiplication is there. So we should divide this 48 by 6. So 6 8s are 48. So it will come here. Now we know the breadth, because x means breadth. Breadth is 8 centimeter. From that you can find out the length of the rectangle, that is the value of the x. 2x means 2 into 8 plus 1. 16 plus 1 is 17 centimeter. This is our answer. Like this you can solve the equation. First you have to write down the equation, make a equation with the help of the given information, state your equation, then solve it.